Picture this. It's 7:30 in the morning. 10 buses are lined up. Drivers are waiting. Passengers are arriving. Then suddenly, your automatic wash system stops. One small failure just turned into a business-wide problem. Most fleet operators don't realize the true value of an automatic bus wash until the day